Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok drafts not saving or disappearing. Before closing the app, go to your profile, tap draft and ensure your drafts are saved. Then you're going to restart the app. Don't first close it too quickly after editing. Wait for a while, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then close it. After that, go ahead and update your TikTok if you haven't already. Open your app store, search for TikTok, and then make sure your app is updated. If there is an open option like mine, then that means your app is already updated, so you won't have to worry about updating it. Safety tip: export your draft to camera roll occasionally to avoid losing work. Quick fix: if a draft disappears, check recently deleted or export my remind video before starting again, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and